In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Now click on Emergency Contacts and select Add Contact. Now click on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to delete one of it, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!